Welcome back. Today we're going beyond the hype to explore the true technical landscape of smart glasses in 2026. The market has matured from experimental gadgets into a multi-billion-dollar platform. As you can see, AI smart glasses now represent over 66% of the wearable market, with revenue projected to surpass $4 billion as we head toward 2030. The industry has split into three core categories: discrete audio first frames, AI-powered camera glasses for creators, and high-end AR display glasses for spatial computing. The Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 remains the consumer favorite. It features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera capable of 3K video capture and 5-microphone spatial audio. But the real power is Meta AI with Vision. These glasses can now translate signs in real time, identify landmarks, and even provide context-aware suggestions based on what you see. This is powered by multimodal AI. By processing audio, video, and touch simultaneously, these glasses finally understand the world the same way we do, making digital interaction feel completely natural. We've moved beyond simple voice commands. Your glasses are now the primary interface for powerful AI agents like Google Gemini and Meta AI, acting as proactive, context-aware assistants that anticipate your needs. For the AR purists, the X-Real Air 2 Ultra is the gold standard. It packs dual Sony Micro OLED panels, delivering 1080p resolution per eye and a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. What sets it apart is 6 degrees of freedom spatial computing. Its dual 3D sensors allow for precise hand tracking and the ability to anchor digital objects firmly in your physical space. Athletes have moved to the Oakley Meta HSTN. These frames are IP67 rated for water resistance and feature prism lens technology to enhance outdoor contrast. Deep integration with services like Garmin and Strava allows runners and cyclists to view live performance metrics directly in their field of vision via voice commands. Perhaps the most meaningful shift is in accessibility. Smart glasses are now a vital tool for the visually impaired, reading street signs aloud and describing surroundings in real time. However, challenges remain. Privacy is a major debate, leading to the development of clear recording indicators and strict social etiquette for no-record zones in public spaces. We are entering the era of ambient computing. The goal for manufacturers now is to make smart glasses indistinguishable from traditional fashion while keeping you connected. The smart glasses of 2026 are more than just a screen. They are your digital eyes. Which model fits your lifestyle? Let's discuss in the comments below. See you in the future.